Hey, I'm Yaro and I'm a co-founder here at Respond.io. These days, consumers love to chat, and for our customers, a lot of their chats are coming through WhatsApp. Now, this is an amazing opportunity for salespeople because they get to build relationships faster than ever before. But on the flip side, customers really expect you to respond quick. And the old adage is still the same. Whoever responds to the lead first wins. When you let your leads chat with you, you'll notice that conversations start with the same 10 or 20 questions. This need for responsiveness makes it difficult for agents to focus on conversations where their experience and intelligence really brings value to the customer's problem. With AI, we can enable agents to answer quickly and accurately without getting distracted, but still let the customer feel that they got an answer to their question and not just some sort of template response. On WhatsApp, people can message you quick, but they're not always going to be great leads. To keep your salespeople performing at their best, you want to make sure that every conversation is an actual opportunity. You can make it happen with AI. AI can really easily filter out all the spam conversations and make sure that your agents get connected to the best lead first. Salespeople have a lot to learn before they can actually help a customer. And the beauty of AI is it can hold the entire knowledge of your business and deliver it only as the conversation requires. This means you can send salespeople out to chat sooner, and you can make sure that they're learning from every single conversation. If you're looking for an AI tool to use for sales, here's 3 things you need to know. 1. It's gotta be easy and simple to set up. If you can't get your business knowledge into the tool fast and make it easy for your sales team to use, they're not gonna use it. 2. It's all about trust. Letting AI talk to your customers is kind of scary, right? Look for tools that let you test by providing assistance to your sales team first. That way, you can deploy AI on select conversations with complete confidence. 3. You need a tool that works for your business reliably. The last thing you want when you're trying to drive change is to worry that software will let you down. Make sure you trial the tool in actual conversations before you go all in.